Hi guys, I'm Sai Satvik from Modern Education, and in this video I'm going to explain one chapter from chemistry, combustion. This chapter is going to be really interesting. So what is the definition of combustion? The chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give out heat. This heat can be used for various purposes. So substance reacting with oxygen means adding of oxygen gives out heat. This is known as combustion. Now this substance is known as combustible substance. This substance is known as a combustible substance, or it is known as fuel. This fuel can exist in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. So now next let us go to ignition temperature. Ignition temperature of phosphorus is 35 degrees Celsius. What does this say? Sorry, it is 30 degrees Celsius. Now what does this say? Let us go through definition. The minimum temperature required for a substance to catch fire. For a substance to catch fire. So the ignition temperature of phosphorus is 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the minimum temperature for phosphorus required to catch a fire. So if the heat is less than 30 degrees Celsius, phosphorus cannot catch fire. If it's 30 degree or more, then phosphorus can easily catch fire. So this is what is ignition temperature. They can ask many questions like for what is the ignition temperature of different substances. Now as we know, phosphorus it is 30 degree. For paper, just for your extra knowledge, paper it is 233 degrees Celsius. For paper, ignition temperature is 233 degrees Celsius. Now coming on to the types of combustion. As we know, this is the definition of combustion. It has got three types. One is rapid combustion. One more is spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion. And the third type of combustion is explosion. So these are the three types of combustion. Now I will explain you these in detail. So if they ask you to differentiate between any two combustion, you can easily do with these definition which I gave you. So what is rapid combustion? In short, I can just explain you like rapid combustion, large amount of heat and light is produced. Large heat and light. I'll just write this in a short way. And second, external heat must be required. Heat is required. Heat is required. So, for example, let us take burning of LPG. Burning of LPG. So, no large amount of heat and light is given out. It means when you burn LPG, you get large amount of heat and light, and heat also is required. So for burning LPG, it won't start just burning like that. You initiate some heat. That is this. Heat must be required. So it won't just start burning like this. We should initiate some heat for it to burn. So next comes the spontaneous. Spontaneous is total opposite to rapid combustion. Large heat and light is required for rapid combustion. For spontaneous combustion, small amount of heat and light is required. I'll just write it as like small amount of heat and light is required. And other point, here heat is required. Here no heat is required. So here in spontaneous combustion, it can automatically catch fire. For example, let's take forest fire. In forest fire, we don't initiate heat. It automatically, by the surroundings temperature, it catches heat. This is called spontaneous combustion. Other example is like burning of phosphorus. Phosphorus, it is very less, it has got very less ignition temperature. So with the surroundings of with the temperature of the surroundings, in few cases, it can automatically burn under spontaneous combustion. Third one, explosion. Large amount of heat and light is produced as well as sound. So large amount of sound, heat as well as light is produced in explosion. Second one is just the example. What examples produce, what substances on combustion produce large amount of heat, light, sound? It is of course the firecrackers. So burning of the firecrackers. You can have further other examples, but I prefer these small 3 examples. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please do subscribe.